The new mold has arrived at the workshop. Before use, check the surface to ensure it's clean and free of oil or residual sand. Once ready, close the flask and begin sand filling. Control the sand temperature and compaction and ensure proper venting. After the mold is fully compacted, we can strip the outer mold. Using an overhead crane, the flask and the outer mold are slowly separated. Next, the flask is turned over, again with the help of the overhead crane. After turning, the loose pieces are removed and placed back onto the mold.